Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. So in today's video, I have an unboxing. I'm so excited about this item. Anyway, if you guys not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, come join the family. We talk about everything bag related from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuous love. And let's get into this unboxing. Okay guys, so as I stated, I got this unboxing. I'm so excited to open it. Oh my god, I cannot wait. So without any further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Let's make sure everything is good because usually the sides are the ones that's hard to open up. Let's get this. Okay. Let's get this other side right here. And let's get this unboxed. Guys, I'm so excited. Like, I really cannot wait. So excited. Okay, I don't want to cut too deep into the box. Okay. Okay. As you can see, the little pink falling out already. Okay. You guys see the box already, so you know it's something from Fashion File. Okay. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, they gave me the little calendar. Oh, that's nice. So this is the 2024 calendar. Oh wow, nice. I can probably put this in my this is really nice. I can probably put this in my my Louis Vuitton on GM agenda. This is really nice. I like that. All right, guys. So this one actually came from their New York store. Wow, they wrapped this real good. So it says used is the new. Okay. Oh my god, I am so excited. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I love, sorry guys. The paper. I couldn't get the paper. Alright. So let's move that out the way. The box out the way. So this is the dust bag. So you guys can pause the video and guess if you know what bag this is. It's a wish list item. So I'll give you that clue. It's one of my wish list items for 2023. Let's see. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. As you guys can see, it's the Dior Saddle Bag. Oh my god, guys. I don't even know how to feel right now. I don't know how to feel. Oh my god, I got the dust bag. Okay, guys. So I got the Dior Saddle Bag in this beautiful blush color. As you guys can see right here, it is such a beautiful bag. Oh my god, look at this, guys. I'm just trying to check it out. I mean, after the video, I'm going to do a deep inspection to make sure nothing is wrong with it or anything. So definitely going to inspect the bag. But guys, so I got my Dior Saddle Bag. This is the on the website, it says this is from 2022. So it was obviously a last year one. It does come with the dust bag, the Dior dust bag right here, which is with the gold. So this is the newer Dior dust bag. You guys know I have the other Dior dust bag for my lady Dior, and it's a different, I don't think it's the gold one. I could be wrong, but I'm not sure. So you have this one actually come with the strap, because I was looking for one that came with the longer strap. And oh my, what? Hold on, does it have the the card? Wait, am I dreaming? Oh my god. Oh my god, I got the Dior. I guess this is like the authentication card. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is nice. So it has the we certified that the article has been manufactured according to the most rigorous quality standards. Oh my god, it's the okay. I wasn't expecting it because I don't think it said it came with this card, so I'm not 100% sure. I'll probably have to go back into the fashion file and look at the listing, but that is such a great surprise. And then let's open here. Oh my goodness! Oh, the inside looks so good. No stain, nothing. Ah! And it has this. I think this is like a suede or microfiber interior, so there's no stain or anything. It has one zipper on the back, and then you guys know it has a pocket on the back right here, as you can see. I'm just looking if there's like any coloring or anything. You have the CD right here for the Christian Dior right here. Let's see what else. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And then you got the other CD right here. The only thing that I really see on the bag so far, and then you got the D right here. The only thing I see is like a little speck right here, like a little white speck right here, but it don't even look like it's a big deal. I think I can literally wipe it off. And that's really it. Everything else looks great. No coloring, nothing. The bag is in excellent condition, and they did list it as excellent condition. So a quick story time. On my way back from my trip, I was one of my layover was in Paris, the Paris International Airport. So my plan actually was to buy this bag from the Christian Dior, obviously inside of the airport, but inside of the airport. But the thing is that my flight landed so early, and so when we landed, it was still closed. And by the time I was leaving, because my son was tired, and then the whole airport, Air France, or not Air France, or Delta, whatever, they took my stroller all the way to the US instead of putting it in the plane. It was a whole debacle, okay? So I really didn't really have a stroller for my toddler, and I was not lifting him to walk all over the place. So that kind of put a damper on me going to the Dior store. So I was really upset because I had already put it on my mind how much I was willing to pay for this bag. And you guys know in the US, this bag is like 4,400 or 4,600. I'm not sure. I think it's 4,400. I'll put the correct price, but I think it's 4,400 currently, especially the one that comes with the strap, not the, obviously all of them come with the strap now compared to the before one. So I've been looking for this bag on the pre-love market for the longest time. And obviously now Dior prices are up there for these bags. Like, they're not cheap. So my logic thinking was that, okay, if I buy this in Paris, it's like almost $1,000 off, which would have brought it to like maybe 3,400 or whatever. So that was my price. I was like, all right, I'll probably buy it in Paris, go to the Dior store, get that experience, buy it in Paris and everything. So that amount was already in my head, that I'm willing to pay that price for the bag. So since I didn't have the opportunity to actually go into a Dior store, which I was so bummed, guys. I was so bummed because I was looking forward to it. But all the craziness, the debacle, traveling with a child that's sick, also me not feeling 100% myself, it was just crazy. So I was like, all right, whatever. I'll just put it in the back burner. But then I was like, I'll look at the pre-love market and stuff like that, because I was not paying no 4,400. Trust me and believe that I'm not paying that. So my thing was that all in, I was looking at that 3,400, 3,400 price for all in, okay? And guess what showed up? This showed up, okay? So anyway, so this showed up on Fashion File. And you know, Fashion File had their 10% off sale and stuff like that. So it was between this and another one, but the other one didn't have the longer strap. It only had the shorter strap, but it was a beautiful pink, and then it had like the buckle was like different color, like it was nice. So it was that with the 10%, or this had just been listed on the website. for the price range I was looking for, including tax, it would be exactly at what I was willing to pay for. So I was like, you know what though? Let me pull the trigger. Let me buy this bag, okay? And when it comes, I'll see if it's exactly what I want. If it's not, I have until January 15th to return it. Obviously because of the holiday special with Fashion File. So I was like, if it doesn't work out, I'll just return it and stuff like that. But guys, I'm so excited. This bag is in excellent condition. Like, I'm like, ah! So this will probably be my last unboxing for 2023. Like, I'm so excited. This bag just came and I was like, I need to do the unboxing right away. Check the bag out, see if it is what I want. If not, return it right away because I don't have time for it. But guys, this is exactly what I was looking for. The color is beautiful. It was either this or I get a white one, because my plan was that when I went to the Dior store, I was going to get the white one. But I'm happy it's this color because this is such a nice neutral. So on the website, it says blush. And this is like really like a blush color. I hope the color is coming across through the color. But this color is just so beautiful, guys. I am excited, and oh my god, this is such a great final unboxing for 2023. Ah, a wish list item to end the year. I started with a wish list item unboxing and I ended the year with a wish list item unboxing. That's like I don't even know how to describe it. But anyway, guys, so that was the video for today. I just wanted to do this quick unboxing of this new beauty right here that's going to be added to my collection. Anyway, I wish you guys happy new year. Hopefully 2024 is everything that you plan for, with good health, prosperity, all your wishes coming true. Anyway, guys, I see you in the next video. I'll see you in 2024. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.